In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Perplexity API key. Whether you're a developer or someone exploring the capabilities of the Perplexity platform, getting an API key is an essential step to unlocking its full potential. So let's dive right in and simplify this process. First up, you'll want to navigate to the Perplexity AI website. Make sure you're on the official site to keep your personal information secure. Once you're on the website, the next step is to log into your Perplexity account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. It's important to take a moment here to ensure you have all your login details correct to avoid any hiccups. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the profile icon located at the bottom left corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will prompt a menu to appear. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the available options. From this menu, select API. This will take you to a new section of the site dedicated to API settings and options. Once you're in the API section, you'll see several options. Look specifically for the API keys option and click on it. This area is designed for managing all your API key setups. Now you're almost at the finish line. The next step is crucial. Click on the button that reads, Accept Terms and Generate API Key. This typically involves reviewing their terms of service related to API usage. Make sure to read these terms carefully as they include important information about how the key should be used. Once you've accepted the terms, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your API key. It's a good idea to choose a name that helps you recognize what the key will be used for, especially if you plan to generate multiple keys. After entering the name, the next step is to click on Create Key. Just like that, your API key is generated. But hang on, there's one last crucial step here. Make sure to copy the generated key immediately. Once you move away from this page, you might lose access to the key, so it's best to store it somewhere safe and accessible, like a password manager or secure document on your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained your Perplexity API key. With this key, you now have the power to integrate Perplexity's capabilities into your own applications, helping you to innovate and create solutions leveraging this powerful AI tool. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments section below. Happy coding!